Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to add a custom filter for post list table. So what does it mean by post list table? So here I am on the back end of my WordPress site, and this is the post list table where you will see the list of posts or pages. So all of them we can call a post list table. So in the previous video I showed you how to add custom column to this post list table, which is this. So this is the video. If you have not watched that video yet, I would suggest to watch that video first and then come back again. So yeah, if you are watching this video, then I am assuming that you have idea of creating custom fields in the custom metadata meta box. So let me show you what is meta box. So we showed are you okay column and related meta field we added in the post in the meta box. So this is the custom meta box and this is the meta field. So if you don't know how to create custom meta box, then again video is already created. So I will provide this both links into the description section. So yeah, just to short tour. This is the field I created, are you okay, which has two options, yes or no, and that field I have displayed in the list table. So this is we call post list table. Okay, now what if we want to filter result which says yes only, meaning we want to get a result which is yes for are you okay. So we have this filters over here, dates and bulk action and categories, but we can't filter this result. So in this video we are going to talk about this. So let's jump into the code. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called the WPVoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So for that I'm gonna open my custom plugin. So this I added through my custom plugin. So I'm gonna open my custom plugin. So this is my local WordPress repos, and in that I'm gonna go inside WP content plugins. My plugin includes admin.php. So I'm gonna add this code inside admin.php because we are doing stuff inside admin section. So first let's add a filter over here. So for that we can use this hook called restrict manage post. This hook is used to display filter, and then we will filter the actual result by using this hook pre-get post. But first let's add this filter. So I'm gonna run this inside Google and let's see the official documentation. So this has two arguments, post type and which. So which means from in which location you want to add this filter, but I will just keep default. So I'm gonna use this action. So in the admin.php let's add action. So as it has two arguments, so I'm gonna pass this 2, and then I'm gonna add this callback function. Let's copy this. So first argument is post type. So I want this filter for only post type. So I will first make a condition: if post type, then only display this filter. So this is going to be a drop down, so I'm gonna add select here, select tag, and I'm gonna name it RU. Okay, and I'm gonna add this, and I will add, oh no, sorry, I'm gonna add options inside select tag. First option will be are you okay, and value will be blank, and then I will provide yes or no. So we should use the WordPress default function _e or double underscore, but as for the demonstration purpose I am not using that. So first let me check here what we store in the value for that meta data. So based on that I will give that value over here. So if I inspect this, okay, same as labels, so I'm gonna add yes and no. Now let's see what happens after adding this filter hook, sorry. So I'm gonna go to post list table again, and our filter should be started displaying. So as we can see, our filter is displaying now. So let's select yes and hit filter. So at the moment it is not going to change anything. Now let's do one thing. Now let's filter this result based on our selection. So for that we have to use this hook called pre-get post. So let's go to again official documentation of the pre-get post. So it has only one query, which is WP query object. So now I'm gonna go to this file and do add action. So this action fires after the query variable object is created, but before the actual query is run. So this is the, I think, correct place to manipulate our data. So I'm gonna use callback BWP change result. And it has only one argument, so we don't need to specify the number of arguments here. So I'm gonna add query. Now we have to make some adjustments because this hook fires on every WP queries. So we have to make a condition that if we are in this backend and if this our custom filter is enabled, then only apply our filter. So first I'm gonna get this value. So are you okay? Input, I'm gonna use input filter. Input filter is the safe method to get value from the get method. So I'm gonna use this filter input, filter input, then type. So type will be input get. Then our parameter is are you okay? So I'm gonna copy this, paste it, and default is string, so we'll just keep default. So now if is admin, so is admin checks whether we are on WordPress WP admin section or not, and we will also check if not empty, are you okay? Then only we are going to manipulate the result. Now this data is stored in the metadata. So for that, first let me check the how we can set this. So yes, we have to use this meta query. So I'm gonna copy this whole section at the moment, and then we will make adjustments. Okay, so for this our metadata is stored in which variable? Let's see. I'm gonna inspect this. Oh, sorry, not this, but I will open the database PHP myadmin, and I will open my database. I will search for post meta. And I will search for this ID. I'm gonna copy this, search. So this is the meta key. We are storing that metadata. So I'm gonna use this meta key equal to, we don't need type, value is yes. So here I'm gonna make another condition, not condition, I'm gonna make switch statement here. Variable will be are you okay. So first let's say for yes. So I'm gonna put this query inside this. Let's keep default as it is. So meta query is equal to are you okay? Yes. When we have are you okay is equal to yes. Now let's see what happens. So I'll go to post table. And now let's select yes and filter. So as you can see, we have our result filtered by our own custom filter. Okay, one more thing, we have to make selected over here. So again I will copy this and I will put it over here. And now let's use selected function. If yes, so compare the two values and then echo. Same way we will use it for no. So now let's again refresh this. So now yes is selected. Let's select no. Okay, so for no we haven't written anything yet. So let's get back to our filter and let's copy this whole section. Sorry, this whole section. Make it no. Make it no. Now let's filter again. So just remember all of them are no. So there is only one no it is displaying because there is only one entry for this meta key as a no. But if you see this video, if I showed no for those as well which has no value entered, so that should also display in this result. So what we are gonna do is gonna add one more array. I will add relation to or. First, let's open the WP query. Not exist. So some of the post does not have this meta data inside their values. So what we are gonna do is, so whatever the field is not exist, that result also we will consider as no. So we will use this compare not exist. Oh, sorry. And value will be blank and relation will be or. So this means value which has no as a value or which has this data not exist. So now if we refresh this again, our data or result should be fine. So as you can see, all the no results started appearing over here. Let's confirm with yes. Okay, that's correct. And now let's reset the table. So now it's appearing all the result. So this is how we can add our custom filter to the list table in the WordPress backend and filter the results based on that. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.